Welcome to Bake or Rate with Chef Isabella. Christmas is not complete without chocolate biscuit log. So, without wasting any more time, let's begin. Break the biscuits into small pieces. The following step involves melting sugar and chocolate powder. Combine sugar and chocolate powder well. Add water and simmer it. Just make sure you don't burn the chocolate. When the chocolate has melted, stir in butter. Keep stirring until butter melts completely and combines well. Simmer in low flame for 2 to 3 minutes and keep aside. Pour chocolate mixture over the biscuit pieces and mix until you see that every single piece is covered with chocolate. Grease a loaf tin with oil or butter and fill with this mixture. Arrange it properly and keep it in the fridge overnight. Meanwhile, prepare snowman and Christmas trees with fondant for decorating the log. How to add colors to fondant? Please check my earlier video on Christmas cookie tree. Cover the cake with the chocolate cream. Then drag a scraper through the cream to create a bark-like texture. Decorate the log with snowmen and trees and a dusting of confectioner's sugar just before serving. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed the making of Christmas chocolate biscuits log. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will return soon with another delicious and easy homemaking recipe. Bye.